Want to know how to change your language in plantnet.org? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your plantnet.org website. So just simply head towards identify.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this exact website right here, as you can see on the screen. So once you're there, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have successfully logged in order to change your language, it's super simple. On the top right side, you should be seeing the EN option right here, the EN text. This is the language tab. So you can just simply select it. And now right here, you can see various languages that you can change from. So you can see so much language that you can just simply choose. So once you have chosen any one of these, you should be good to go. And as you can see right here, the page will load and it should come up properly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.